On a Friday, the US dollar started actively gaining in value. However, the euro and the pound sterling just slid to the lower limits of their narrow ranges, where they have been trading for a week already. The upcoming meetings of the key central banks became the main reason for such a shift in the market sentiment. Traders unexpectedly focused on the European Central Bank. There are assumptions that the central bank will be the first one to cut the benchmark rate. The current situation in Europe only proves this fact. It means that the key interest rate in the United States will remain higher than in Europe. Nevertheless, the market situation will remain unchanged until the central banks publish the results of their meetings. The euro and the pound sterling may even rise a bit. However, an active discussion of a possible key interest rate cut by the ECB may affect the market. On the trading chart, we see that last week the euro-dollar pair was trading within the range of 1.0840 and 1.0930. The hovering pounds to the accumulation process. This, in turn, may lead to a sharp price movement amid the expected economic events. Since the pair is trading within a particular range, it's better to apply a breakout strategy. The pair is likely to show an outgoing impulse, which will enter the flat movement and indicate its direction. Traders will consider the upward movement if the price consolidates above 1.0940. On the 4-hour chart, this auction will allow the pair to climb toward the psychological level of 1.10. The downward scenario will become possible if the price settles below 1.0840 on the 4-hour chart, and in this case the euro may slide to 1.08 and launch a full-scale correction. The situation with the pound-dollar pair is almost the same. Notably, the range where the pair has been hovering is a bit wider compared to the euro's one. The channel was formed between the levels of 1.2300 and 1.2440, and the pair has been trading within the mentioned range for almost 2 weeks. Otherwise, the pair would have formed a correction. Since the flat movement is still intact, traders may apply a breakout strategy. A downward scenario will become possible if the price settles below 1.2300 on the 4-hour chart, and this may lead to a formation of a full-scale correction. The upward movement will take place if the price consolidates above 1.2450 on the 4-hour chart, and this will point to the prolongation of the uptrend. On a Friday, the US dollar started actively gaining in value. However, the euro and the pound sterling just slid to the lower limits of their narrow ranges, where they have been trading for a week already.